We are demonstrating a case of locked bucket handle tear which has been locked into the joint. We do a thorough pie casting and try to reduce the tear into its position. Once the tear is reduced into its position, a traction suture is passed to reduce the meniscus tear into its position. Once it has been reduced, we start repairing the meniscus tear with fast fix flex device. In this case, we are proceeding from anterior to posterior. We start from the upper leaf of the meniscus. Again, we go on to the inferior leaf of the meniscus. This is the second shot of the fast fix flex. As we keep doing the repair, the meniscus goes on reducing. This one is the third fast fix flex. This we are inserting into the meniscus, and this usually will reduce the meniscus into its place. After that, a fourth fast fix flex has been inserted on the inferior part of the meniscus, and we can see that now a normal appearance of the meniscus is being seen. The fifth meniscus repair device will reduce it further.